Hello friends! Is your brake pedal feeling too soft or too stiff all of a sudden? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0556, it means there's a problem with the brake booster pressure sensor circuit range performance issue. This could lead to braking issues, reduced engine performance, and even safety risks on the road. In this video, I'll explain what P0556 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0556 code stands for Brake Booster Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance Issue. The brake booster pressure sensor helps the engine control module, ECM, monitor vacuum pressure inside the brake booster. If the sensor sends incorrect pressure readings, the ECM might not adjust the braking force properly, leading to hard braking or poor stopping performance. Common symptoms of P0556. Check engine light, CL, is on brake pedal, feels too stiff or too soft. Engine stalling when applying brakes. Hissing noise from the brake booster. Loss of vacuum assist, making braking harder. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, let's find the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0556, check these key components. Brake booster pressure sensor. Location, mounted on or near the brake booster, usually on the driver's side firewall. Brake booster assembly. Location, connected to the master cylinder, providing vacuum-assisted braking. Vacuum hoses and check valve. Location, rubber hoses running from the intake manifold to the brake booster. Tip, a failing brake booster pressure sensor can make braking unpredictable and affect engine performance. Common causes of P0556 faulty brake booster pressure sensor. The sensor may be malfunctioning and sending incorrect readings. Damaged or loose wiring. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wires can cause signal issues. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the brake booster or vacuum lines can result in pressure loss. Brake booster failure. If the booster isn't working properly, braking efficiency can be affected. ECM malfunction. Rarely the ECM may misinterpret sensor signals. How to fix P0556. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0556 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake booster pressure sensor for any visible damage. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for loose, broken, or corroded connections. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage output. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses for cracks, leaks, or disconnections. Step 6. Replace the sensor or any faulty parts and clear the code. Ignoring P0556 can cause brake malfunctions, engine stalling, and safety risks while driving. Fixing it early ensures a safer and smoother ride. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0360, ignition coil, J, primary secondary circuit malfunction, P0361, ignition coil, K, primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.